Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting permissions and essentials in place. Enable camera, grant microphone only if needed, and choose front or back lens. Once done, install the Face Detector package or enable the platform API, then load a lightweight pre-trained model such as a T-Flight file. Make sure to set input size and image format early so the pipeline matches expected tensor shapes. This prevents shape errors later. Now, initialize the detector object and open the camera stream to receive frames. With the camera stream feeding frames, convert each image to the model's required format and resize to the input dimensions. Then run inference on each frame. This yields bounding boxes, confidence scores, and facial landmarks. Once detections arrive, apply non-maximum suppression and a confidence cutoff like 0.5 to remove duplicates. After filtering, draw boxes and key points onto the displayed frame and optionally crop faces for downstream tasks. Make sure to drop frames if processing lags to keep UI. To finish, optimize the pipeline. Lower input resolution, enable hardware acceleration like GPU or NNAPI, and use batching sparingly. Monitor FPS and detection accuracy, then tweak the confidence threshold or switch to a more accurate model if needed. If detections are unstable, check camera exposure and lighting and ensure faces fill enough of the frame. Poor lighting causes false negatives. One quick troubleshooting tip: if many false positives occur, raise the threshold to 0.6 and reevaluate before changing code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.